Imagine earning passive income while you sleep by harnessing the power of cryptocurrency mining. Welcome to your complete beginner's guide to building your first crypto mining rig. Today, you'll learn everything you need to transform these components into a profitable mining machine. Cryptocurrency mining is the process of validating transactions and securing the blockchain network. Your mining rig uses powerful graphics cards to solve complex mathematical problems. Unlike traditional banking, cryptocurrency operates on a decentralized network that anyone can participate in. The benefits are clear. You're supporting decentralized currency while earning potential profits from your mining efforts. A successful mining rig requires 6 essential components working together. First, your graphics cards, the workhorses that perform the actual mining calculations. Second, a motherboard designed to support multiple GPUs simultaneously. Third, a powerful supply unit capable of feeding your hungry graphics cards. Fourth, a basic CPU and sufficient RAM to manage your mining operations. And finally, storage for your operating system and PCIe risers to properly space your GPUs. For beginners, I recommend starting with 2 to 4 mid-range GPUs, a 1,200-watt power supply, and a motherboard with at least 6 PCIe slots for future expansion. Expect to invest between $1,500 to $3,000 for a solid starter rig. Now that you understand the components, let's dive into the exciting part, building your rig step by step. Don't worry if you're new to hardware. I'll guide you through every connection and configuration. Make sure you have a clean workspace, an anti-static wrist strap, and about 2 hours of uninterrupted time. Step 1. Assemble your mining frame and install the motherboard with proper standoffs. Install your CPU by aligning the triangle markers and securing the retention arm. Add your RAM modules, ensuring they click securely into place. Position your power supply and organize your modular cables for clean cable management. Connect your PCIe risers to the motherboard slots, ensuring firm connections. Attach each GPU to its corresponding riser card with the PCIe connector. Connect the 8-pin power cables from your PSU to each GPU, ensuring all connections are secure. Space your GPUs evenly for optimal airflow and cooling performance. Connect the 24-pin motherboard power and 8-pin CPU power cables. Install your SSD and connect both SATA data and power cables. Take time for proper cable management. It improves airflow and looks professional. The moment of truth, power on your rig and watch for the boot sequence. Configure your BIOS settings for mining, enabling 4G decoding and setting PCIe to Gen 1. Install your mining software, configure your wallet address, and select your preferred mining pool. Congratulations! Your mining rig is now contributing to the blockchain network and earning cryptocurrency. Hit like and subscribe to start mining smarter, not harder. You've just built your first crypto mining rig from scratch. Monitor your temperatures, track your profits, and welcome to the world of cryptocurrency mining. Remember to monitor your rig's performance daily and keep your mining software updated for optimal results. If you found this guide helpful, subscribe for more crypto tutorials and drop a comment about your mining journey. Happy mining! Your journey into cryptocurrency mining starts now.